Hey guys, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we are doing the install on the 2025 GMC Sierra 3500. Alright, so we just finished installing the seat covers. We're now going to put some new floor mats in here. This customer already has some nice floor mats, some good floor mats from GMC, but we're going to put some even better ones in. And so this is what he's got now. Let's put the new ones in now. Alright, so here's the new floor mats. Again, waterproof. The other ones were waterproof as well, but this has a little better features. It has a nice lip right here on the side to catch the water and mud as it's coming down. And then also it extends a little further over here, so you get a little bit more coverage covering that carpet. It comes right up nice. So he has the rear storage box right here, and so that comes right up, and there's a lip against that storage box, which I like. And then you can see the front extends out right here with a little lip, and a little more coverage up right here as well, coming to right behind there. This is open, so that way that seat can come back and not gonna hit the floor mats right there. Nice lip right here on the sides. So nice and clean floor mat there. And this is the rear. I'll show you the fronts as well here. All right, so this is what he has right now from GMC. Here's his current floor mats. Again, these are great floor mats. There's carpet underneath. Either way, he's got to protect the carpet here. And these would work great. We're just gonna put in just a slightly better one. I mean, we're going from good to great here, guys. So this is, now if you don't have floor mats at all, definitely consider getting floor mats to protect your floors. And waterproof ones are great that you can easily clean. So we're gonna get these pulled out, put some new ones in. Guys, one important thing is as you're installing floor mats, make sure they're clipping in good to your little locks here. You're gonna push that in and it's gonna clip in right there, and you're gonna hear a little bit of a click there. There we go. Okay, we got that in there. So we got that one in right here. We're gonna get the over the hump section in right now, and then the passenger side. All right, so we got the passenger side in now. Here's the over the hump section. This is actually a 3-piece front, so that way it makes it a little easier for you to pull out your passenger and wash that off, pull out the driver, wash that off, let it drip dry, rather than having one big long piece. Sometimes those big huge pieces are a little bit, it's a lot to manage, but this one happens to be a 3-piece right here. You still get that over the hump covered right there. You get some nice lips here on the sides, looking good. Cool. So the floor mats in, seat covers in. Okay, looking good, guys. We're excited to show you more of this set, how this set all turned out in this new truck. Thanks again for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you have a truck or UTV that you're thinking about getting seat covers on, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. We offer seat covers for really those vehicles, trucks, and side-by-sides, but also those cars and SUVs as well. We can get those covered. So jump over to coversandcamo.com. We look forward to serving you soon.